Hello all.
So today's MCQ is a 32-year-old woman with gestational diabetes mellitus and fetal macrosomia is in labor. The head is delivered but the shoulders are stuck even after 1 minute. What is the sequence of maneuvers? A. Zavanelli maneuver, Macrobids, Guskin or Dubin, or Rubin, Macrobids, Zanavelli, Guskin, Macrobids, Zavanelli, Rubin, Macrobid, Rubin, Guskin or Zavanelli.
So now see in this patient, these all are the risk factors for shoulder dystocia, that is gestational diabetes mellitus and fetal macrosomia, right? And they are showing that the head is delivered but the shoulders are stuck. That is called turtle sign, right? So this is clear cut case of shoulder dystocia. Now the sequence of event, basically first we always do the Macrobids maneuver. इसमें करना क्या है, we will basically flex the legs and that will increase the anteroposterior diameter and that will help in the delivery of the stuck shoulder. So always remember the first maneuver is Macrobids. जैसे एक ही में दिया है Macrobids सबसे पहले, तो answer is clear D. But you should also understand other maneuvers, right? If the Macrobids maneuver fail, then second maneuver is the Rubin's maneuver. In this, basically we make the shoulders oblique. We bring it into the oblique diameter by pushing our hands over the anterior shoulder so that bisacromial diameter decreases. Make it oblique. So that's why that will release the shoulders, right? So second maneuver is Rubin's maneuver. Third maneuver is Gaskin's maneuver. In Gaskin's maneuver means all four. So after failure of Macrobids and Rubin's, we can go for Gaskin's maneuver, that is all four. यहाँ पे जो patient होती है ना, अपने hands और knees के support से हो जाती है. So because of the change of gravity, all the dimensions will change and that will help in the release of the shoulders. And अगर ये भी fail हो जाए, तो last option is the Giovanelli's method. In that we will basically flex the head, push it back into the vagina and then operate it up from above. We'll go for cesarean section. It is rarely required, so it should be the last option. So first remember the sequence, right?
So the sequence is Macrobids, then Rubin, then Guskin and then Zavanelli.
In the management of shoulder dystocia. Thank you.
Thank you.